Welcome to Timken Vlogs!
So, paalis na kami ngayon. Papunta na kami ng airport. Don't be sad, my love.
But that's okay because Mommy said she will go to Canada and then she will
She
go
will
to Target and Amazon. She will buy me toys and then she will show it to me. And
I will go there
and I'm also going there next
Year.
Next year or next week?
Anong next week?
Next year. Wait, so next year, so 1 year I'm going there.
After your grade 10.
Oh, okay.
Bye!
Parang ganito, hindi na full speed.